Greetings, Benjamin J from BENZTRAINZ with another in the series. Well, on the workbench, getting ready to do a repair, so I thought I would do a video. Now, these, of course, are pre-war contactors off of the Marx motor. As you see, I've dug two of these out, and they are worn completely through. So you can repair these as an expedient rather than replacing them. So in the vise, as you see, I have set up a clothespin. So what I do is spread the clothespin open, put the contactor in it, like that. We're going to slide a piece of cardboard underneath it, just like that. Oops. Alright, so what we're going to do is fill this, of course, full of solder. Let's raise this up a bit. Alright. There, now you can see that big slot worn all the way through. So anyway, I've got the soldering iron hot, so we have a small sponge that's soaked with water. Wipe it off, and we're going to repair this contactor. You can see that cardboard smoking. Anyway, just spread this out as thin as you can, and then just zap it with a file. And as you see, it is, for all intent and purpose, repaired. So that's all you have to do to both of them, and let that solder cool. Take a flat file this flush, that hole will be gone, and your contactor will be repaired. So I'm waiting for this to solidify so I can pull it out of there. Let me grab a pair of pliers here. There we go. Remember, this thing is smoking hot, so don't try to touch it with your fingers. So pull the cardboard out, as you see, and you have repaired the contactor. So all you got to do now is file it flush, and it's ready to run. It's a really, really simple repair. Really hard to see this with the light on it. All right, it's cool enough to touch now. Anyway, as you see, it is repaired. So now you just take a fine file or sandpaper, make that nice and flat, and you have filled the slot where it was worn all the way through, and this will run like a brand new contactor. How long will it last? It'll last for years. Literally, it will last for years. So just a piece of sandpaper or file, make it nice and smooth and flat, and it is repaired and running. And as you see, it's a big difference between the two. And it would only take a minute to finish this off, and this would actually look quite nice. And it'll run for years, years and years and years before you wear through that solder again. Anyway, as you see, it makes a tremendous difference. The best part, of course, is that it repairs it. So it has filled the slot, and this contactor will work as new. So finish it off flush with a file or a piece of sandpaper, and you have a virtually new contactor made or rescued from a junk part. So just a quick video. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to drop me an email, benztrains@gmail.com. And as always, thank you for watching.